Hello Internet, welcome to a quick fire tutorial where I want to illustrate how you can get going with a multimeter that you've just gotten hold of. A multimeter is a device that can let you measure voltage, current, resistance and a lot of other quantities, but this device is pretty versatile. In this quick video I'm simply going to tell you that the multimeter has an option where you can put the two leads here, and the black is negative, so it goes here. Then you have the option of putting red to either measure voltage or small amount of current and large amount of currents. And once the LEDs are connected, for example, if you wish to measure a small amount of voltage, for example, I'll measure voltage of this AAA battery, you simply move this knob to DC voltage here. Alright, then you can place your connecting leads like this, and it's a brand new battery, so it shows a voltage of 1.6 close to 1.5, which is its rating. So that's how you do it. And then you could quickly move this thing to measure resistance, where the sign of the resistor ohm is there. So you need to place these two. Now please understand, it's not a polar device, so just place it here, nice and easy. It might take some time, but it will settle down to give you the value of 1 kilo ohm. Right, this resistor is soldered on a PCB and it's giving you the value, so it doesn't matter what terminal you select to put a red on. And similarly you could put the terminals firm and nice. It will take some time and it will settle down to a value of 10 kilo ohms, as you can see. Right, so pretty versatile device. And that's how the connections are made. That's how you are going to use these two leads to measure the quantities. You need to take utmost care and read the manual very carefully before using this thing, but it's a fun device and it makes learning very interesting. I hope this quick tutorial was of help. I'll see you in the next video, in a detailed video. I'll see you next one. Bye.